Yeah, okay, guys, it's your boy Scarface. I'm currently a student of Web3 Bridge. We have been here for the past 4 weeks and we are learning about Web3. Now, this is my week three review. Yeah, it's just like we'll be discussing about introduction to Solidity. So Solidity is a programming language that is used to write smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Now we are focused on Ethereum blockchain for this for this lesson and throughout my review. Now, Solidity is actually a fascinating language that's quickly becoming like in demand in this space. Like it's used to write and smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain that's decentralized and secure. Now, I'll walk you guys through like on Solidity, how to write uh, smart contracts with this language. That's the basics. We'll talk about state variables, global variables. We'll, we'll talk about the the visibility types and all that. How to run your smart contracts. How to compile your smart contracts. How to deploy. How to deploy your smart contracts and the rest. So just stay tuned.
Okay, guys, the best place to learn about Solidity, like is Remix. So I'm going to quickly log into Remix and I will show you guys how to run your first smart contract, how to run it, how to compile it, and how to deploy it and all that. So quickly, once you open your Remix environment, you will see the home page here. You see the home page. Now, the first file by your top left, these are where all your files are found. These are where all your files are found, and the rest. The next icon here is when you want to after writing your smart contract, like you deploy it. Sorry, not deploy really. Like you compile it after you must have compiled it, then you deploy it. Mind you, you are actually deploying it on a local blockchain. So and Remix actually provides you with about 20 accounts with an arbitrary of fake money inside. Mind you, Ether is the currency for the Ethereum blockchain. As you can see, all these things are various accounts that is having like 100 ETHs in it and the rest. After you're done, you will now click on deploy. And now let's so now we'll create our first file. Let's say we'll name it hello world. We'll name it hello world dot sol. Yeah, we'll name it hello world dot sol. Then we'll copy and paste next icon. And after putting license, that's XPDS license, that's fine, MIT. If at all you don't put this license, your code will not uh, compile. Even if it's compiled, it will give you some errors. Now the next thing, we'll, we'll type out the this the Solidity version that we use. We have Pragma Solidity. We have Pragma Solidity 0.8.0. Now, if you see this version means that oh, this code should compile with any version above 0.8, should compile above 0.8. Next is the contract keyword, right? Contract hello world, hello world. You hello world. You put your curly braces. Now, this contract keyword is very very important because this is where all your contracts, all the code, all your smart contracts will actually going to. Anytime you are writing, make sure that you start with contract, then the name of the contract. In our case, is what hello world. Now let's next we just declare a name, writing string public ability, then the name, let's call it my string, and should be equal to hello world, be equal to hello world, should go to hello world. Now this my string here will now be stored on the blockchain as what, as this hello world here. Now after you're done, like it has already compiled because like I've set it on auto compile already. If at all it's not on auto compile, you have to click here to com to compile it. Now if your code is not having any bugs or errors and the rest, this this stuff here will show a green mark sign. If for example it's having some bugs, let's say it's having some bugs, it will show a, like a red sign, you understand? So it will show like a red sign. So now let's deploy this code on our blockchain. No errors, so we'll now deploy on our blockchain. To deploy on our blockchain, you just come to the last icon here and click on deploy. Once you must have deployed, you will see that it has deployed down. Yeah, once you scroll down, you see that it has been been deployed down. Yeah. Yeah. Now before you deploy on the rest, make sure that this compiler here is this Solidity compiler matches with what you have put in your smart contract and the rest. Now we have deployed our smart contract already. Note that this smart contract is not running on the main Ethereum blockchain blocknet. It is just on the local blockchain that Remix have provided for us to use such that we can interact with it. Let's call what already deployed on the blockchain. Once you call it here, you will see hello world. And if you want to change this to hello world, this is this this is good. Now if you want to call this thing call this my string, it will not change because we have already deployed our first contract already. And again, anything deployed on the blockchain, like you can't change it. So if you want to see the new stuff that you have written that means that you have to redeploy this smart contract again. Let's see, or expand it. You can see once you come and string, you now see the new stuff here. Hello world, this is Kafis.
Yeah, I deployed my first smart contract on a local blockchain, like in my week 3. Hello, this is Kafis. I think it felt really nice, like it felt good interacting with smart contracts, like interacting with remix and blockchain. Everything was just like magic, and it's really really nice. This is just my first of my many mass first of my many smart contracts in this life. Yeah, first of my many smart contracts in this life. So that was that was not all we did. Like there's more to this stuff. I just showed you guys too, such as in that smart contract body that I told you guys earlier. We can also define like variables, functions, and events. Solidity this programming language also supports inheritance and interface and the rest. Like variables in Solidity can be defined by using keywords, such as if you notice in that example, I said my keyword there was string, because what I wanted to write, it was hello world, and that hello world is in string format and the rest. If I was writing a number, let's say a positive number, yeah, it would have been, we have another keyword in Solidity called uint. Yeah, so it was just the basics that we did and everything, you understand. Other keywords, we have booleans, we have boolean either true or false, we have addresses, you have struct and enums and the rest. So I will leave with you guys a description link to this video and the rest. So please, just if you want to know about the base of Solidity, please try and watch that video. So after writing your smart contract without errors, make sure that it's marked green. You will now compile it and and deploy it on your local blockchain. So guys, this was my recap for week 3. Hoping to actually see you guys again. Stay tuned, guys. This is Scarface, and this is my content.